Welcome back to another product profile, and today we're checking out the new professional full range speaker setup from RCF, the TT515A and the TT808AS. These two active speakers are the latest addition to RCF's flagship TT touring and theatre range, an advanced series of professional speakers with a signature sound that's perfect for high-end installation and live events. Starting with the obvious, these speakers are tiny compared to traditional PA speakers and subs, so they're perfect for discrete event sound and hiding away as a low-key install system. The lightweight build is another bonus for touring artists and production houses looking for a system that covers a full range of sound while cutting down on weight and space in transit. For those situations where you can't or maybe don't want to hide your speakers, both the 505 and the 808 wouldn't look out of place on a stage, or at a professional corporate presentation, intimate gig, or as part of a modern installation. Both models have the same clean and discreet design, with flat grille, low-key black-on-black logo, and scratch-resistant plywood cabinet. The robust powder-coated grille also hides an acoustically transparent foam shield, protecting the inner workings from dust and water ingress, which, along with the optional rain protection covers, makes both speakers suitable for outdoor use. Taking a look under the grille of the TT515A, we have two 5-inch drivers for the low and mid-range, and a 1.7-inch high-frequency compression driver with a max SPL of 127 decibels. The cool thing about the HF driver is that it's attached directly to a 100 by 70 degree cone, which can be detached and rotated using just a screwdriver. The upshot of this being that you can tailor the dispersion to suit either the orientation of the 515 speaker or use it to match the output of your 808 sub. The 808 has two 8-inch woofers for deep and immersive bass that tops out at about 129 dB. This works well as a standalone subwoofer and perfectly complements the 515. Thanks to a variety of mounting points and optional accessories including brackets, poles and flybars, both speakers can be used together or apart in just about any configuration. The 808 sub can even be stacked on top of each other for extra power or configured front to back for cardioid dispersion. Both speakers are powered by a 2-channel 2000 watt convection cooled amplifier with a 32-bit DSP. This means really low tolerance for noise through the amplifier and zero noise through the operation of the speakers. The rear panel features a single line in and line out, as well as RDNet input and RDNet link. Volume and high pass can be adjusted on the 515, while the 808 has an option for a low pass or custom crossover for the 515. All settings, monitoring and more advanced features such as subwoofer array configuration can be controlled remotely via RDNet, RCF's remote management software. This can also be bypassed on both control panels, allowing for local control and setup. Finally, just like the ART9 series, the TT515A and TT808AS both feature bass motion control, which protects woofers from damage without the need of high-pass filters. This helps protect your investment while simultaneously providing better sound quality. As well as this, the 515 also takes advantage of RCF's advanced digital fur-face technology, which together with bass motion control delivers one of the clearest and most accurate sounds on the market. We'll be discussing these technologies in more detail in future videos, so subscribe to the channel for that, and leave us a comment on what other features you'd like us to cover. Well, that's a wrap. To find out more, visit our website in the description and check out the channel for more videos on the RCF range. Take care.